besties, hey besties, welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Wina. If you're seeing my face for the very first time, you're highly welcome. Please do well to hit the red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification beside it. Please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, and drop a comment. It is very important, and do make sure to share it with your friends. Okay, so to my oldies, thank you so much for always watching my videos. If you're not yet subscribed, please do make sure you subscribe today. Okay, so today's video, I have remembered Tope and Chinyere that has oily skin. So if you are an oily skin gang, this video is for you. I'll be sharing with you 3 highly recommended sunscreen you should get for your skin. Yes, I've done my research, I've tried that, I've experimented, and I have come to a conclusion that this 3 sunscreen is the best for you. So do make sure to share to any oily skin type person you know so they can watch this video. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's dive right into the video. So my loves, the first sunscreen I'll be recommending for oily skin is the Cozy Sun Cut Water Gel Sunscreen that has a sun protection factor of 50 plus, which is SPF 50 plus, and PA plus 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 plus. If you buy a sunscreen, sometimes you see this PA and this plus sign in front of it, and you might not understand what it means. I'm going to be sharing it for you today because I love you and I want you to know the secret. Okay, so PA stands for protection grade of the UVA rays. It helps to measure how well a sunscreen is protecting you from the UVA rays. Okay, and that plus sign indicates the level of protection. This PA ratings was developed or is developed by the Japanese. Okay, so let me explain to you. When you say a sunscreen that has SPF 50 plus, then it also has PA plus, it means that PA plus, that one plus sign there, stands for low protection. So it's giving you low protection against the UVA rays. Okay, so when you see PA plus plus, that is 2 plus signs, it is moderate protection it is giving you against the UVA rays. When you see PA plus plus plus, that is 3 plus sign, it is giving you a high protection against the UVA rays. When you see PA plus 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 plus, that is 4 plus sign, which this Sun Cut sunscreen has, it is giving you a very high protection against the UVA rays. Okay, hope you understand that. You can rewatch this video if you don't understand it, so you can understand it better, so you will know the kind of sunscreen you're buying. When you see all those PA, don't get confused. When they know you both scatter our head, you get. So I have explained it to you so you can know how well the sunscreen you're buying is going to protect you against the UVA rays. You know the UVA rays are very dangerous. Like, they are one of the major causes of premature aging, skin aging, and also skin cancer. Sure, you know that. So now I've told you, so you will know what you're shopping for. So this Sun Cut sunscreen has SPF 50 plus and PA plus 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 plus, which means it is going to give you a very high protection against the UVA. So this Sun Cut sunscreen comes in a 100 ml bottle size, and it is in a jelly texture. It is lightweight consistency. When you apply it on the skin, it just absorbs into the skin. It doesn't leave any white cast, and it is perfect for oily and sensitive skin because it is fragrance free. It has no fragrance in it. So if you are an oily skin and you also have a sensitive skin, this sunscreen is perfect for you. Okay, it also leaves a matte finish, and it is also perfect for combination skin. So if you have an oily sensitive skin or combination skin, this Sun Cut sunscreen is your sure bet, and you will get it from the range of 6,500 naira above. Okay, so you can't get it below that price. It is from 6,500 above. Okay, so if you're looking for a chemical sunscreen that is perfect, has no fragrance, that is lightweight, and for your oily skin, this Cozy Sun Cut sunscreen is your sure bet. So go grab one now in a cosmetic store. Okay, so besties, the second sunscreen on my list for oily skin is the Aqua Misha Water Gel Sunscreen that also has a sun protection factor of 50 plus and PA plus 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 plus, which is 4 plus. That means it has a very high protection against the UVA rays. Okay, it comes in a 50 ml size, which is not really as big as the Sun Cut, and it actually has a lightweight water consistency or texture. It absorbs into the skin easily, and it contains fragrance, like a floral scent fragrance in it. It is perfect for oily skin but might not work for someone who has a sensitive skin or a dry and dehydrated skin. Okay, so this Aqua Misha doesn't leave a white cast, and it easily blends and absorbs into the skin. Okay, it leaves a semi matte finish or a matte finish depending on the product you used on your face before applying the sunscreen, and it is perfect for oily skin only. Okay, so you can get it at the range of 6,500 naira upwards depending on your state or where you're buying. So my loves, the last but not the least sunscreen that is highly recommended for oily skin, even sensitive skin and combination skin, it works for it, is the Nivea UV Super Water Gel that has SPF 50 plus and PA plus sign in front of it. It has 3 plus sign, which means it has a high protection against the UVA rays. Remember that the other two I mentioned, which is the sun cut sunscreen and also the Aqua Misha, has PA plus, which is 4 plus sign in front of it, which makes it very high protection against the UVA rays. Okay, so this one just has a high protection because it has 3 plus sign. That is why you need to understand what these plus signs mean, and I've told you, and I hope you understand. If you don't, please go back and rewatch this video so that when you're shopping for a sunscreen, you know how to buy, and you can be able to also teach other people, make them understand what it means whenever they want to buy sunscreen. Okay, so this sunscreen comes in a 140-gram jar, and like I said, it is SPF 50 with PA plus. I hope you can see the sign in front of that PA. Okay, so the protection grade is high. All right, and this sunscreen has this lightweight consistency feeling on the skin. It doesn't leave a white cast. It doesn't have fragrance in it, which makes it perfect for sensitive skin. Okay, so besties, I had to take a water break because my throat was completely dry. Okay, so as I was saying, this Nivea UV water gel sunscreen easily absorbs into the skin, and you can use it for your face and your body. The other two I mentioned can also be used on your face and also on your body. Okay, so this sunscreen contains hyaluronic acid, which helps to plump up your skin and draw in moisture into your skin, so it leaves your skin looking very moisturized. It doesn't dry out the skin. It leaves this beautiful skin like finish. Okay, so it goes for the range of 7,000 naira upwards, although when I got mine for around 6,700 naira. Or 730 naira, something there about, but I know it is between the range of 7,000 naira now upwards. Okay, so this sunscreen comes with this seal cap, as you can see, so you can travel with it. It's not going to pump, it's not going to spill. Okay, so let me show you what it looks like. I just hope you can see this, right? So it actually has this alcohol smell, but it vanishes almost immediately. Like, look at how it has blended into my skin. It just leaves your skin feeling smooth and very moisturizing. This water feeling is so nice, like it's so nice. So that is what I'm using currently, and I am loving it. Okay, so you can go grab one for yourself. And these 3 sunscreens I've mentioned, the first one, which is the sun cut, is perfect for oily and combination skin, and this Nivea is also perfect for oily, sensitive and combination skin as well. It is amazing. It might be kind of pricey for some people, like students that are not working and they're just looking for a very small amount of price, but trust me, this is perfect if you have an oily skin. Don't go about using all those sunscreen that makes that makes you feel oily, brings out more oil, and might make you to break out. Okay, so go grab any of these 3 and come back to thank me later. So my besties, I've come to the end of this video, and I do hope you enjoyed it. So please, if you find this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, like this video, okay, so that YouTube can show it to those that will be interested in watching it, so this channel can grow. I'm begging you on my knees. please like this video. It's very important. Drop a comment, tell me which of the sunscreen that I mentioned that you have actually used, okay, and tell me if you're going to try anyone. Tell me your experience with any of this sunscreen in the comment, okay. And please do not forget to hit on that red subscribe button, turn on the bell notification icon beside it, so when next I put up a useful informative video like this, you'll be the very first person that YouTube will notify on the video, okay. And do make sure to share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.